Imagine waking up and seeing your bank account grow overnight. Sounds like fiction? It's not. Today, you'll learn how to make your money work for you, 24/7. No get-rich-quick nonsense. This is strategy, science, and a shift in mindset. While most people trade time for money, the wealthy trade intelligence for freedom. They don't work for money. They make money work for them. This video is for those who are done with survival mode. If you're ready to level up, to build a machine that makes you money even while you sleep, keep watching, because I'm breaking it all down. The mindset, the system, the real-life hacks. Here's the cold truth. Most people are stuck in a loop. Work all month, pay bills, hope something's left. The problem? It's not how much you make. It's what you do with what you keep. Take Warren Buffett. He started investing at 11. Didn't try to get rich quick. He planted seeds and let time and compound interest do the heavy lifting. Over 90% of his wealth came after age 60. Why? Because his money works harder than any employee in the world, and science backs this up. Your brain is wired for short-term pleasure. Spend now. Enjoy now. But the ultra-wealthy play the long game. Investing isn't just about money. It's about reprogramming your brain. It's like trading one cheeseburger today for 10 feasts tomorrow. Tough? Sure. But that's where the magic is. Here's the emotional hook. You're about to discover how to build real passive income, even if you're broke. And finally, make your money hustle while you rest. Let's remember the promise. Making your money work for you, even in your sleep. Here are 5 game-changing strategies to make that happen. The seed effect. Start small, grow smart. You don't need thousands to start. You need consistency. Invest $10, $50, $100 a month into index funds or ETFs. It's like planting a tree. Looks small at first, but over time, it gives you shade, fruit, and security. Why it works? Compound interest. Einstein called it the 8th wonder of the world. You earn interest on your interest. That's exponential wealth. Example, 100-month at 10% annually becomes $68,000 in 20 years. Starting from zero. The auto spring method. Automate to elevate. Want to beat laziness? Remove your brain from the equation. Set up automatic transfers to your investment account. It's like pulling a spring. Takes effort at first, then the system runs itself. You save without thinking, and that's a superpower. The creator code, create and scale. Got a skill? Turn it into digital income. Courses, ebooks, music, templates. You create once, it sells forever. You sleep, someone in Germany buys your course. You're hiking, someone in Texas signs up. Example? Ali Abdaal, former UK doctor, made millions teaching online. The ghost income, rent without showing up. Not into showing your face? Rent stuff. Apartments, Airbnb, cars, cameras, equipment. You're basically cloning yourself into mini income. Machines. With the right tools, you don't even meet the customer, but your account still grows. The millionaire mindset. Reinvest relentlessly. Earning is easy. Growing and keeping money is the real game. Reinvest all your profits. Act like you're still broke. That's how you unlock exponential growth. Jeff Bezos reinvested all Amazon's early profits. Now look at him. So how do you make it stick? Create a Money Monday. Every Monday, take 15 minutes to review your accounts, goals, and moves. It keeps your brain in CEO mode, not survival mode. A day challenge. Investor Mindset Bootcamp for 3 weeks. Automate at least one payment. Learn one money concept daily. Video, book, podcast. Share what you learn with someone. And remember, while you sleep, someone else is getting richer because they chose to learn this. The difference isn't IQ, it's commitment. If this video gave you a mindset shift, hit like, comment, Money in Motion below, and subscribe for more. Your money should hustle for you. Even when you're resting, even while you're dreaming, even while you're living, let's hustle smart.